Earthmoving overhead cable stringing. Overhead cable stringing more than often means working outside of the regular road network. A very rough terrain, changing weather conditions, and quick changing work operations. The Unimog can be equipped with the most diverse implements and attachments. For this type of work, Unimog feels right at home. Preparation work for overhead cable stringing. A crane digger combination makes it possible for the Unimog to dig holes and set up poles in a very short time. The built-in hydraulic system lowers the support legs. Now the implement combination is ready for action. The mid-mounted digger can turn at a 360-degree angle. Hole depths up to 10 feet and hole diameters up to 15 inches are possible. The operation is quick and easy. By means of the powerful hydraulic system, the drill together with the soil can be pulled out of the ground. The hole is now ready for receiving the pole. By simply exchanging the auger for a crane hook, the pole is set up by the same implement. The trailer can remain on the vehicle, thus guaranteeing an expedient and economical manner of working. The retracting of the support legs follows effortlessly by means of the Unimog hydraulic system. These 9 poles were set up in 20 minutes. All Unimogs have 4-wheel drive and differential locks in both portal axles. Both functions can be engaged or released while on the move without declutching and interrupting traction. These features enable the Unimog to reach any point in the roughest cross-country conditions, even with a trailer. This can also be done with heavy loads like these cable drums. Here we see a Unimog with a short loading platform and a very rugged cable winch, which can not only be used for stringing cables, but also for salvaging vehicles and machines which have become stuck. The cross-country mobility and traction of this rubber-wheeled vehicle is unique and unsurpassed. Stringing of 4 cables over a distance of 3 miles by means of Unimog. Using this crane, empty or full cable drums can be moved or they can be transported on the platform. Trenching for pipelines and cables. The digging work necessary for open line construction is performed easily and without any problems by the powerful hydraulically driven excavator on the Unimog. The Unimog is very easy and unproblematic to operate. As we observe it here, digging out a support which is no longer needed. Cable trenches and pole foundations are also typical tasks for this vehicle combination. The Unimog proves its high quality not only in rough cross-country operation but also on normal roads. Because of its maximum speed of 50 miles per hour, it is an ideal vehicle for normal roads too. This new Unimog is pulling a load of about 40 tons, and it can pull this load not only on highways but also on unpaved roads. Here, a very heavy drilling rig is brought to its place of operation. After unloading and uncoupling, Unimog is ready again to take on new tasks even in the roughest cross-country conditions. The Mercedes-Benz Unimog multi-purpose implement carrier is characterized by its highly developed technical concept. The new U1200 with 130 horsepower and the U1700 with 170 horsepower have several components in common. The spacious luxury driver's cab, a 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz diesel engine, a close ratio transmission with 8, 16 or 24 gears, 4-wheel drive and differential locks in both portal axles which can be engaged on the move, and also 3 mounting areas for front, middle or rear mounted PTO or hydraulically driven implements. The driver's cab can be tilted mechanically or hydraulically. The engine, clutch and transmission are accessible at all times. Shock absorbers and coil springs with long spring travel ensure constant ground contact even in the most rugged terrain. As many as 8 hydraulic connections can be installed, thus providing possibilities for powering and operating implements. The rear PTO transmits nearly the full engine power. It can be shifted to the center or to the right-hand side and is available in 2 revolution ranges and different profiles. The static load distribution is 2/3 of the weight on the front axle and 1/3 on the rear axle. The fully Synchromesh transmission has 8 forward and 8 reverse gears. As an option, it can be supplemented with 8 working and 8 crawler gears. At nominal engine speed, speeds from 450 feet per hour up to 50 miles per hour are possible. The large surface windshield can be heated and also guarantees good all-around visibility. The hood and the radiator grille can be opened effortlessly. This makes little maintenance jobs easy to do. The intake stack with its cyclone filter provides for super clean air for engine combustion. The middle part of the bumper is removable for the mounting of implements. A quick hitch is available for the attachment of the most diversified implements. As an option, hydraulic connections can be supplied for the front, and according to requirements, they can be fixed either above or below the bumper. The front and rear PTO can be engaged either separately or simultaneously. The spacious and logically arranged interior offers an optimum for comfortable working conditions. All gauges are perfectly situated in the driver's range of vision. On the dashboard there are control lights which indicate all functions by means of symbols. Between the seats in a very accessible position are all the levers for gear shifting, the hydraulic system, auxiliary drive shafts, and the spring-loaded parking brake. The throttle lever for adjusting the desired engine speed is easy to reach. The driver's seat is a single seat. The passenger's seat comes in a single or double seat version. There are control levers to regulate the heating and ventilation system. For hot climates, an air conditioner can also be installed. This air conditioner can provide more than adequate relief for extremely high temperatures. The new Unimog generation combines power, versatility, and optimal working conditions for the operator. This modern concept is exceptionally economical and, at the same time, comfortable in every aspect of operation. The Unimog from Mercedes-Benz.